Hey everyone, Moonlux Papa here. Back in Okinawa on our first camp trip since Korea. We mailed our tent back, so we didn't have the tanker tent for a while. So in this camp trip, we have our trusty 16-foot Rootbase tent. Camping at Hamahiga Island, one of our favorite free sites that we go to. I believe this day we had plans during the day, so we actually arrived around sunset. So it was a race for the clock to get everything set up before it became too dark. No wind is always a plus when beachside camping. I also brought the Future Fox solo tent that I had for a little bit, but ended up selling it since it did not perform as well as I thought. Rolling out the root base for the first time in a while. I'm sure it was happy that it got used this camp trip. This tent is really easy to set up by one person. Just have to peg down the edges and then make the frame and slide them in one at a time. There are 3 frames that differ in size from small to large.
You
got it, thank you.
Having the help of the whole family definitely speeds up the process.
Ready?
Okay, that sounds tasty. いっぱいカズさん買ってきちゃったね。安かったから。全部壊してる。いいです。
で、キャンパー。
キャンパー。キャンピングナンバー40。
After getting settled in and having our stuff set up inside, we went straight to dinner as we were starving. wind started picking up at night, so we stayed inside the tent. Rain also. I think this is everyone's fear when owning a tent after a night of heavy rains. Thankfully, none of it got inside of our tent because of the polycotton material of the root base. But you could see how much water collected over the night. Not too many people camping over this weekend, but when you have a big cozy tent, you just want to stay inside most of the time, which is what the kids were doing. Creative minds making their own games and dances, just letting them be kids. This was actually Mother's Day weekend, so we surprised Moonlux Mama with some presents, and she was not expecting us to have anything ready at all, since we were still unwinding from our Korea trip. Some goods from a local business called I Hope So. They do interior goods, t-shirts, and lifestyle products. Definitely check them out if ever you guys find time to come to Okinawa. Trying something different. Had some leftover taco meat, so got that cooked up. Also brought some sausages, so taco hot dogs.
うまいこれ。
weather cleared up on the next day, so the kids got to enjoy a little dip in the ocean. This was already late April, and the water was already warm enough to get in. Guess that's one of the perks of living on a tropical island.
どうしたのねえねえ。頑張って探しております。
Luna looking for seashells and clams.
冷たい？気持ちいいです、ルキー。これハッピーダンス？後ろに倒れんのよ。
That and then they
だからキャンプじゃない？なんで？
like an outdoor hosting places. Well, cool. She had yeah, it's like 4万 a night, dude.
RJ がこうバーで出店した。
よくさせてもらってる。
すごいすごい。すごい。
多分違うんだろうね。
今度来るよねって言ったやつ。あれがこう店頭レンタルしてた。フジロックのキトップと。
分けてる。なんでかってあれ嫌い？1個のケージとかバケツになんか配ってる人がいて、あれ実はバカみたいだからもう違う。
持っていく。
一緒にだって分けててそれで瓶はこの力を動かしたそこでいって振り分けなんですよ。そこの日多分。
Dinner's menu was nachos, so used the rest of the taco meat and fresh veggies that I brought to create an easy camp meal. It isn't a camp trip without the bonfire pit, so here we are getting the bonfire, or takibi in Japanese, ready to go. After our crazy Korea adventure, it was just nice to do a small family camp and really just take it easy.
何個もやらない。
Can't forget about the marshmallows.
1個で済む。
周りだけ食べてもう一回焼く。
とっても美味しいですか？
うん。もちもち。
The third day's weather was very, very nice. Everything cleared up, but of course, every adventure has to come to an end, so this was our cleanup time. A little bubble fun and coffee in the morning before we packed our things and headed out. Kids were pretty tired, as were we. Until the next one. See you next campsite.